Why do 80% of voter challenges seem to target Black communities? This question has been at the forefront of many discussions since the introduction of Georgia's new voting law. Let's dive into Georgia's new law, SB 189, and understand its implications. Georgia's SB 189 is causing waves across the voting landscape. The law, which was signed into effect recently, has sparked a heated debate among voters, activists, and lawmakers alike. Critics argue this new law could lead to widespread voter intimidation, especially among Black voters. The concern is that the law's provisions might be used to unfairly target and disenfranchise specific communities. The law allows ordinary citizens to challenge voter registrations without clear evidence, expanding the window for voter removal. This means that anyone can question the validity of a voter's registration, potentially leading to a significant number of voters being removed from the rolls. This creates an environment where a few individuals can disenfranchise many, particularly in marginalized communities. The fear is that this power could be misused, leading to a chilling effect on voter participation. Historically, voter suppression has disproportionately affected Black voters. From literacy tests to poll taxes, various methods have been used to prevent Black citizens from exercising their right to vote. Now, with SB 189, the use of technology to pinpoint and challenge registrations raises concerns about abuse and bias. The law's reliance on data and algorithms could lead to errors and unfair targeting of certain groups. Civil rights groups fear this law could deter voter participation and erode trust in the electoral system. They argue that the law's provisions are too broad and could be used to intimidate voters. As Georgia moves closer to another election, the spotlight is on SB 189 and its impact on voter access. The upcoming elections will be a critical test of the law's effects on voter turnout and participation. Will this law protect the integrity of the vote, or will it suppress the voices of the vulnerable? This question remains at the heart of the debate, with strong opinions on both sides. Only time will tell. The true impact of SB 189 will become clear as the election season progresses and the law is put to the test. The future of Georgia's elections hangs in the balance as communities await the impact of SB 189. The law's effects will be closely watched by voters, activists, and lawmakers across the country. Many community leaders have voiced their concerns, urging voters to stay informed and engaged. They emphasize the importance of understanding the new law and its potential consequences. In response, various organizations have launched educational campaigns to inform voters about their rights and the new law. These efforts aim to empower voters and ensure that they are not deterred by the new regulations. Legal experts are also weighing in, analyzing the law's provisions and their potential impact. They highlight the need for vigilance and advocacy to protect voter rights. The fight for voting rights has a long and storied history, with many battles fought and won. The introduction of SB 189 is seen by some as a new chapter in this ongoing struggle. Grassroots organizations are mobilizing to ensure that every eligible voter can cast their ballot. They are working tirelessly to counteract any potential negative effects of the new law. The future of Georgia's elections hangs in the balance as communities await the impact of SB 189. The law's effects will be closely watched by voters, activists, and lawmakers across the country. As the debate continues, one thing is clear: the stakes are high, and the outcome will have far-reaching implications for the future of voting rights in Georgia and beyond. The future of Georgia's elections hangs in the balance as communities await the impact of SB 189. The law's effects will be closely watched by voters, activists, and lawmakers across the country.